Hello out there, all my bookish friends out there in booktube land. I've got a really exciting announcement for you in this video. It's going to be quite short. Now, are you the kind of person who maybe never went to university but you want to get deeper into literature? If you are, it's probably why you're on this channel, why you've subscribed to this channel. Well, I'm setting up a Patreon account which is launching in January. It may not be exactly on the 1st, but it'll be close to the beginning of the month. Now, if you don't know what a Patreon account is, it's a place where you can get exclusive access to extra videos that I do. And it's for those who really want to suck the joy and marrow and lustiness out of the great classics. I'll show you a picture of Patreon on this screen, and that's me there, you know, Tristan and the Classics, so that's going to be my Patreon account. Now, inside this account, there are 2 tiers of membership that you can get access to. So we've got the first one, which is around £3.50 per month, and what that does, every month, and I'm going to upload a list for the entire year, every month I will have a book that I will tell you I'm going to read that month. And if you decide to read along with it, that's great, because at the end of the month, I will do an in-depth review of that book, giving you my perspectives, telling you my thoughts on it, the background research that I might have done on certain aspects of the novel, hidden motifs, allusions, symbolism, maybe a background on the author. Now, you'll get at least that one video every month, and I may even throw in some other bits as I'm going through the book, jumping on just to give my thoughts as I'm going through the book and things that I've observed. The next tier is the Great Literary Adventure, and it's going to be around £6.49. Prices may change from here, but this is the rough idea. Now, this is for those of you who really want to suck the joy out and the lustiness and the delights out of the great classics. You want to come to terms with more things to do with how literature works, style, motifs, the way narratives are, literary criticism, criticism of authors on other authors. Looking closer at Shakespeare will be part of the videos on this. And what we're going to do is you're going to join me, and I will be doing another video soon, more about me personally and how I fit into this adventure with you. We're going to dive into literature to learn more about it, but always keeping the enjoyment of the story first, because that's the one danger about digging deep, is we can make it turn into too much like hard work. But this is going to be a membership for those of you who watch all of my videos. You know, when some people come on and watch a YouTube video, they just watch the first 5 minutes or the first 10 minutes. I know loads of you, because I've got the details in my back office on YouTube, I know loads of you watch the whole thing. Now, those of you who do that, you really, really love literature. You are people that invest in yourselves. You want to know more. You want to build your repertoire of knowledge, but more importantly, your deep appreciation to taste and sense the various nuances and flavours hidden within just the story. And so that's what this Patreon account will do for any of you. If you're excited about this and you want to know more, make a comment down below saying, "I'm in," or "Yes, please, tell me more," okay? Do that, and make sure, if you haven't already, if you've subscribed, this is really important now, have you hit the bell icon beneath this video? It's a notification bell, and what it does is, if you've subscribed, sometimes you'll think, oh, how did I miss one of those videos? It's because YouTube doesn't show you every video of a creator you subscribe to. Only if you hit the notification bell does that work. So if you want to keep up to date with this Patreon launch of Tristan and the Classics for exclusive membership and access to exclusive videos, then make sure to hit the notification bell, and I'll be letting you know more very soon. So until the next time, in which is going to be a video on poetry, by the way, I wish you joy in your reading.